Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Maths Equation. Now in this video we are going to discuss first chapter from the algebra, that is linear equations in two variables. So let's start. Let's write down definition of the linear equation on the board now. So that definition is an equation an equation which contains an equation which contains two variables two variables and the degree of each term containing variable is 1 is called as linear equation in two variable. Okay, linear equations in two variables. Now this is the definition of the linear equation. Now what is that definition is? An equation which contains two variables, मतलब ऐसा इक्वेशन जिसमें दो वेरिएबल हो गए एंड द डिग्री ऑफ ईच टर्म कंटेनिंग वेरिएबल, जिस टर्म में वो वेरिएबल है उस हर किसी टर्म का डिग्री एक होना चाहिए. If such a type of the equation is there, then that equation is called as linear equation in two variables. Now, general form of the linear equation. General form of linear equation. Now, in that general form of linear equation, that is ax plus by plus c is equal to 0. Now, this is the general form of the linear equation. Now, in which this a and b are the coefficient of the variable x and y, and a and b will be a real number. This will be a real number, and the c is a constant. Okay, x and y are the variables. Okay, look at this. You can write this general form like this way also. Ax plus by is equal to c. Okay, both are same. Like this way, ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, or ax plus by is equal to c. Now, for example, now look at this example over here. 5x plus 5y is equal to 10. Now, look at this equation, and this one more equation is there. 2x plus 4y is equal to 8. Now, this is equation number second, suppose. This one is the 1. Okay. Now, look at the both equations in which that x and y are the variables, and this phi, here is again phi, are the coefficient of the variables. Now 10 and 8 are the constant. Now one more thing which is very important, if we consider these two equations at a time, okay, same time, then such equations are called as simultaneous equation. Simultaneous equation. When we consider any two linear equation in a two variable at the same time, then those equations are called as simultaneous equation. And there are three methods of solving simultaneous equation. With the help of example, we will discuss that three methods in practice set number 1.1 and 1.2. So let's start with the practice set number 1.1. In this question number 1, question is that complete the following activity to solve the simultaneous equation. Now look at there. There are the two equations are given, and both are the linear equations in two variables. So let's complete this activity by using method of solving simultaneous equation. No doubt this is the activity, but we must know how to solve that particular simultaneous equation. Then and then only we can complete such a type of the activity. So we will use that first method, that is equating coefficient. We have to consider any one variable, and variable that coefficient of that particular variable should be equal. So let's find out in this equation whether coefficient of any one variable is equal or not. So which is the question number 1? Now here it is. So first equation is 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, and second equation is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. Now look at the coefficient of the variable x. Here is a 3, again here is a 3. That means that coefficient of the variable x is already equal. Need not to make that again equal. Okay. So in such cases, we have to use some tricks over there. Okay. If the sign of the both the term is different, that means plus minus like this way, at that time we have to add that two equations. And if the sign is the same, either plus plus or minus minus, at that time subtraction will be there. So that's why look at the second line of the this activity. Let's add these two equations. Let's add equation first and second. I will show how to solve this activity here also. Now look at this. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, and this is a 2x plus 3y. So I will show you over here. Same equation is there. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9, and second one is 2x minus 3y is equal to 12. So let's add this addition, that means this plus minus will get cancelled here. And look at this now. 5x plus 2x, that will be a 7x is equal to, now this is 12 minus 9, 12 plus 9, that will be 21. So we got that first one here. So answer will be here is 7. Okay. And that next one is 21. Okay. Now we have to find out the value of this x. Now for that purpose, transfer that 7 to the RHS. So it will become x is equal to 21 upon 7. So look at this one. So that answer will be here. We will fill this box 21 upon 7 like this way. Now divide this 21 by 7. 7 ones are 7, 7 threes are 21. So x is equal to 3. Now this is the value of x, and x is the first variable. In such cases, we have to place that value of first variable in the other equation. Now which is the another equation? Look at that. Place x is equal to 3 in equation first, either in a first or second. That choice is yours. So let's put down that values over there. Now which is equation number first? Look at here. 5x plus 3y is equal to 9. So that's why 5 into x, and we know that value of that x, and that value is 3 now. Okay, plus 3y is equal to 9. So 5 into 3, that will be a 15, but the step is not here. So we can write the step over here for our convenience. Okay, so 5 into 3, that means 15 plus 3y is equal to 9. Now we have to find out the value of this term 3y. So keep that 3y as it is and transfer this 15 to the RHS. So it will become like this way, 3y is equal to 9 as it is, minus that 15 is plus, that will become minus. Okay, like this way. Then now 3y as it is again. Now 15 minus 9, that will be minus 6. Okay, now we have to find out the value of this y, and y is the second variable, mind well. So keep that minus 6 as it is and transfer this 3 to the RHS. So it will become minus 6 upon 3. So let me show you here, minus 6 upon 3. 3 ones are 3, 3 twos are 6. Okay, that means answer is minus 2. In this way, we can easily solve the simultaneous equation by equating coefficient. Now mind well, we have to write the answer in this format now. Solution is x and y. That means values of x and y. These are the solution of the given simultaneous equation. So what is the value of x? That is a 3. So we will write that 3 over there. Okay, and minus 2. These are the solutions of a given simultaneous equation. How simple is this? So this is question number 1. So let's move toward the question number 2. Now let's discuss question number 2, in which question is that solve the following simultaneous equation. Means again like these two. Now this is the first two equations are given, which are the simultaneous equation, and the question is solve the following simultaneous equation. So let's solve this equation by using equating coefficient method. Okay, now look at here. First equation is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, and second equation is a plus 5b is equal to 22. Now in these two equations, instead of x and y variable, a and b are there. You can use any variable now. So in that case, first of all we have to find out whether the coefficient of any one variable is equal or not. Okay, so look at here. In this first variable is a, coefficient of the a is 3, but in case of a second variable a, which is there in equation number second, that is only 1. But look at the coefficient of the variable b, and that is 5. Okay, that means one variable is already equal. So need not to do that again, that as the variable is same. Now second second thing is that find out the sign of the both variable. If a sign is same, at that time you have to do subtraction. If a sign is different, at that time addition will be there. So in case of equation number first, plus is there. In case of equation number second, again plus is there. That means subtraction of the equation number first and second. So let's start with that answer now. Subtracting equation first and second. Subtracting equation first and second. So let's write down that both equations again over there. So that is 3a plus 5b is equal to 26, and second equation is a plus 5b is equal to 22. Done. Now subtraction, that means that all sign will be changed of the second equation. So this is a plus, so this will become minus. Okay, this will become minus. Again that plus will become minus now, and again in case of this 22, that 22 will become minus. Okay, now this is a subtraction. Now we can take that this is 5b will get cancelled here. Now 3a minus a, that means only 2a, is equal to 26 minus 22, that means 4. So let's find out the value of this a. Okay, so keep this a as it is. So a is equal to 4 upon 2. So a is equal to 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4. That means a is equal to 2. Now this is the value of first variable. So let's find out the value of another variable, and the another variable is b. So we have to place this value, that a is equal to 2, in any one equation, that is your choice. So with the star here again we will write place a is equal to 2 in equation second. Okay, so let's check that value. A is equal to, that means write down that equation again over here. A plus 5b is equal to 22. Now a value of that a is 2. So let's take that value. 2 is here. 2 plus 5b is equal to 22. So we have to find out the value of this b. So keep this term as it is. So 5b is equal to 22 as it is. Now this plus will become minus to the RHS. So that will be 5b is equal to 20. Okay. So b is equal to 20 upon 5. So in this case, so b is equal to 5 ones are 5, 5 fours are 20. Okay, like this way easily we can find out the solution of the given simultaneous equation. Now mind well that answer is very important. So with this, so we have to write the answer in words, that is very important. With the star, solution, that is a and b. Now instead of that x and y, a and b is there. So how much is that a? That is 2 and b is 4. So in this way we can complete that answer easily. How simple is this? So let's move toward the question number 2. This is second sub question from the question number 2. Again, two simultaneous equations are given there. So let's find out whether any one coefficient of a variable is common or equal. In case of equation number first, x plus 7y is equal to 10. This is the first equation. Second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. That means in this case, coefficient of the variable are different. So we have to make that both coefficient same. Now choose any one variable for that purpose. So we will definitely choose this x first of all. Why this is so? Because here is a 3, and if we multiply equation number first by 3, then the variable, that coefficient of the x, that will be a 3. So let's start with this answer. Multiplying equation first by 3. Okay, so multiply this equation first by 3. So that equation will be 3x plus, look at that, 3 into x, that means 3x plus 7 into 3, that is 21, y is equal to 30. Now this is equation number third. Okay, now look at the equation number second and third now. Now in both case, where coefficient of the first variable that is x is same now, 3x 3x, that means coefficient is 3. Now we have to find out whether the sign of that both variable is the same or different. If sign is different, at that time addition of that both equation, and if sign is the same, that means subtraction. So in case of equation number second and equation number third, coefficient of the variable is same. So we will take these two equations. Now sign of that 3x is plus, here is again plus, that means sign is same. So let's take that subtraction of the both equation. So next point will be, with the star we will write here, subtracting equation second and third. Subtracting equation second and third. So let's write that equation number third first of all, and that third equation is 3x plus 21y is equal to 30, and second equation is 3x minus 2y is equal to 7. Now this is equation number second, and we have to do this subtraction over here. So that sign will change over here, the plus will become minus, again this minus will become plus, and this will become minus. So let's cancel 3x 3s, as plus minus will get cancelled here. So 21y plus 2y, that will be 23y is equal to 37 minus 7, sorry 30 minus 7, that will be 23. So let's find out that value of y. Now transfer this 23 to the RHS. So it will become like this way, y is equal to 23 upon 23. 23 ones are 23. So y is equal to 1. Okay. Now this is the value of first variable y. So let's put this value in equation number 1. So place y is equal to 1 in equation first, and that will be like this way. Write down that equation first here, x plus 7y is equal to 10. Now this is equation number first. So we have to find out the value of that x, and y value is already there. Call this equation number, suppose 4. Here it is. So x as it is, 7 into 1 is equal to 10. So x plus 7 ones are 7 is equal to 10. So x is equal to, now transfer this 7 to the RHS. So it will become 10 minus 7, plus will become minus. So x is equal to 3. Now this is the value of second variable x. In this way, easily we can complete this example like this way. Simultaneous equations are given in which variable coefficient is not equal. At that time we have to make that coefficient equal first of all of any one variable, and you can solve that simultaneous equation like this way. Don't forget to write that answer in word. So that answer is solution of what? X and y, and that is x is equal to 3 and y is equal to 1. Okay, how simple is this? Okay, so let's move toward the next simultaneous equation. This is third sub question from the question number 2. Now again, this is a simultaneous equation. Both equations, look at that equation number first. 2x minus 3y is equal to 9, and again 2x plus y is equal to 30. Now in case of these two equations, coefficient of the x is the same, so need not to make again that coefficient same. So we can directly go with the either addition or subtraction. As we know that if the sign is the same at that time, we have to make that subtraction. So here is a plus, second one is also plus. So directly we will go with the subtraction. So that answer will be subtracting equation first and second. Okay. So which is a greater, which is a smaller, that constant will help you at that time. So let's write down that equation number second first of all, and that will be like this way: 2x plus y is equal to 13, and second one will be again 2x minus 3y is equal to 9. Now these are the two equations. As we are going to make here the subtraction, that means sign will change over here. So plus will become minus, this minus will become plus, and this will again minus. Okay, so this plus minus will get cancelled. So this is a plus 3y plus y, that means that is 4y is equal to, now this is 13 minus 9, again 4. So let's find out that value of y. Transfer that 4 to the RHS. So 4 upon 4. So y is equal to 1. Now this is value of the first variable, that is y. So let's put this value in any equation. So place y is equal to 1 in equation. Now which equation? Suppose equation number second. You can take any one. Now what is that equation? Write down that equation over here. So 2x plus y is equal to 13. Now this is equation number second, and we know the value of that y. So let's put down that value. 2x plus 1 is equal to 13. We have to find out the value of this x. So keep this term as it is. So 2x is equal to 13 minus 1. This plus will become minus. So 2x is equal to 12. So x is equal to 12 upon 2. Why this is so? So this will goes to the denominator. Multiplication will become division now. So here is 2 ones are 2, 2 6 are 12. So x is equal to 6. Now this is the value of x. In this way, easily we can complete this equation, simultaneous equation rather, by equating coefficient, as coefficient is already equal in the given. So let's write down that answer again here. Solution. Now solution x and y. So x is equal to 6 and y is equal to 1. In this way, easily we can complete that sub question number 3. Okay, so let's move toward the next question. This is sub question number 4 from the question number 2. Again, two simultaneous equations are there. First one is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, and second one is m minus 6n is equal to 7. Now in this case, m and n are the two variables, and look at the coefficient of the m. Here is a 5, but here is a coefficient of the m is 1. So we have to choose such a type of the variables. Okay, so we will multiply equation number second by 5. So we will write like that way: multiplying equation second by 5. Okay, So let's multiply that equation number second by 5. So m into 5, that is 5m minus 30n, 6 5s are 30, is equal to 7 5s are 35. So this is equation number second. Now look at the equation number, this is equation number third. Now in equation number first and third, coefficient of the variable m is same. So we will consider these two equations now, equation number first and third, in which sign of the both term is same, plus 5m, again here is a 5m. So again we have to subtract these two equations, and this one is the greater than third one. So we will write this equation first of all over here, subtracting equation first and third. Okay. Now which is the first equation? That is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19, and third one is again 5m minus 30n is equal to 35. Now these are the two equations, and we have to take the subtraction of these two. So this sign will change again. So plus will become minus here. Again this will be a plus. Okay, minus will become plus, and this will become again plus. So this plus minus will get cancelled over here. 30n minus 3n, that will be 27n is equal to 35 plus 19, that will be 54. Okay. So let's find out the value of n now. So for that purpose, transfer that 27 to the RHS. So it will become n is equal to 54 upon 27. So 27 ones are 27, 27 twos are 54. So value of that variable n is equal to 2. So let's put down this value in any equation. So we will take that n is equal to 2 in equation number 2. So place again, look at that, place n is equal to 2 in equation either first or second. So let's take that equation number first. Okay. So write down that equation number first here. That is 5m minus 3n is equal to 19. So let's take that value of that en. So keep that, keep the first term as it is. So 5m minus 3 into 2 is equal to 19. So 5m minus 6 is equal to 19. So we have to find out the value of that m. So keep as it is, that 5m is equal to 19 plus 6, that minus will become plus. So 5m is equal to 25, 19 plus 6 is equal to 25. So m is equal to 25 upon 5. So 5 ones are 5, 5 5s are 25. So that value of m is equal to 5. Okay, in this way we can easily solve this question number 4. But don't forget to write that answer in word. So with the star we will write that answer, solution, and solution in case of m and n. Okay, so the value of m is 5 and n is equal to 2. In this way we can complete that equation, question number, sub question number 4 from the question number 2. So let's move toward the question number 5. This is sub question number 5 from the question number 2. Okay, again two simultaneous equations are there. 5x plus 2y is equal to minus 3 and x plus 5y is equal to 4. So let's solve this simultaneous equation. Now in case of these two simultaneous equation, any one variable should have that equal coefficient. So here look at the x here now, 5x is there, so we have to multiply equation number second by again with the coefficient of the x, and that is 5. So let's multiply that equation number second. So multiplying equation second by 5. Okay, so that will be 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. 4 5s are 20. So this is equation number third now. So we will consider those equations in which coefficient of the variable is same. So equation number first and equation number second, these are the two equations in which coefficient of the x is same. So let's write down, or let's consider these two equations in which look at the sign of the variable term of the containing variable x. This is a plus, this one is again plus. So we have to again subtract that equation number first and third. So we will write subtracting equation first and third. Okay, first and third. So let's write down that equation first of all. So 5x plus 25y is equal to 20. Now equation number first is 5x minus or plus 2y is equal to minus 3. Okay, so subtraction, that means we have to change the sign of this second equation. So plus will become minus here, this plus again will become minus, and this minus will become plus. So plus minus will get cancelled over here. So look at it, 25y minus 2y, so that answer is 23y is equal to 20 plus 3, that means 23. So let's find out the value of that y now. So transfer that 23. So y is equal to 23 upon 23. So 23 ones are 23, means y is equal to 1. Now this is the value of first variable. Okay, so let's place this y is equal to 1 in equation second. Place y is equal to 1 in equation second. You can take that equation first also. Okay, that is your choice. So let's write down that equation number second over there. So x plus 5y is equal to 4. So x as it is 5 into y, that means again 1 is equal to 4. So that is x is equal to 5 is equal to 4. Therefore transfer that 5 to the RHS. So x is equal to 4 minus 5. Plus will become minus. So x is equal to minus 1. In this way we can easily find out the solution of these two simultaneous equations. And one more thing, don't forget to write that answer in word. So with the star we will write here solution. Now in case of this, x and y is there again. So x is equal to 1 and minus 1 rather, and y is equal to 1. In this way easily we can find out these solutions of simultaneous equation. So this much is enough in this video. Like this video, share and subscribe my channel Maths Equation.